Have you noticed changes in your smile? Have you noticed that your teeth are getting longer? Have you noticed sensitivity? Do you suffer when you drink cold water or eat ice cream? Here at Nova Perio Specialists, we are specialized in the treatment of gum recession. Whether it is 1 tooth or 12 teeth with recession, we can treat you successfully. For a long time, people avoid coming to the periodontist because they heard from somebody they know in the past that it is a very painful procedure. Technology has changed so much. We can do so much, and we don't have to use your own gum taken from your palate. So that's one less surgical side to avoid. We can use donor. We can use growth factor. We can use your own gum and pull it higher or lower, depends on the upper and the lower. The result is outstanding. We want thick gum, we want high gum, we want to restore your natural smile. If you notice a change in your smile or any of the symptoms that we went over stands out to you, give us a call, schedule a consultation, and we will go over all your treatment options.